Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a social media video downloader that you can use to download your favorite videos, keep them for online access, and probably for content creators, you can use it for video reactions. So let's dive right into the video. So here's the website, ablenet.org. So you can see that it's an all social media video downloader that gives access to downloading videos from Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and lots more. All you have to do is go to the social media of your choice. In this example, we use Facebook. You can see this video. Now, click on that three dots, copy the link, go back to the website, paste it on the dialog box, and hit fetch video. Now, give it some time. The video will appear. So when you scroll down, press the download video button and it gets into your device. So we are going to do the similar thing for TikTok. Go to TikTok, press the share button, copy the link. When you copy the link, go back to the website, paste it there and hit fetch video. When you do that, it generates the video information and the video itself. Then scroll down, press the download button and it gets into your device. Now let's check if the video is downloaded in full quality, because that's how this website downloads videos you would like. As you can see, it is downloaded in the original quality of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get more content from us.